So you want to know how to transfer Binance wallet to exchange. So let me show you how to do it step by step in this video. After you open up now the Binance exchanger, now tap on this asset. After you come to asset, now go to deposit. After you come to the deposit section, now go and search for the coin you want to transfer from the wallet to exchanger. So for me, let's say I want to transfer USDT. I'll select USDT. So I'll choose this BNB network. It's more cheaper. So tap on this copy button. After you copy the address, now go back and open up now your wallet. Tap on this wallet section. Now from the wallet, go to asset. After you come to asset, now here is all your assets. Now scroll to down and choose the asset you want to transfer. For me, I already copied the USDT address, so I'll choose USDT. So after that, tap on this send button. So now tap on this option now and then tap on this paste button to paste in the address you copy. After you paste in the address, tap on this done button and then tap on this continue button again. So now specify the amount you want to send. After you type in the amount you want to send, just tap on this continue button. From there, the USDT or the coin will be transferred into your exchanger from the wallet. And that's it, guys.